John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading, and today we're looking at NVDA. NVDA has been moving up really nicely along with the ES. In fact, it started one day before the ES, moving up before the ES did. And this was last Thursday, Friday. Here is Monday, Tuesday, and today, Wednesday. Look what happened. Let's zoom in a little bit more and take a look and see what happened here. So we were looking for it to get above this triple top right here. We have a pivot high here and here, looking to break above that for some really strong moves up and additional movement. But look where we opened. We opened right at this point, which is on this trend line defined by a point drawn from this all-time high. This was back on May 14th, and that's through this high back on June 2nd. And although that's quite a long time and a bit away from the line, look where we opened, right on that line. So that was a gap up, and then we rocketed higher pretty early in the day, pulled back a little bit, and as we're nearing the close here in about 10 minutes, we're still up at over 220. So that's a pretty strong move up. Now, when we look, where are we going from here? Well, ultimately, we're going up here. But we'd look for pivots to see if there's some spot where we might stop on the way. And the first one is going to be up here. That's at this high. That's at 232.28. So that's our next resistance. And if we can get through there, then we'll be looking for the all-time high of 236.54. And if we can get through there, well, who knows? We'll have to see when we get there. Don't forget that there are earnings at the end of this month, scheduled for August 26th. So watch for the earnings to come up, but that's far enough away for us to wait for this one to run a little bit more. And by the way, momentum looks strong. We're getting a strong signal here. There's room for it to run. The only thing that's kind of hurting us here is we have significantly over status in value charts, and we might end up pausing for a little bit and letting that come back down to not be so value after this big move, so much high value on this move. But we could just push through that and keep going. Now, I don't like this long wick that's sticking out of the top, but it isn't that long, so it'll be important for it to show some more aggressiveness when we open tomorrow to be able to stay in it. But watch for that next resistance, 232.28. Maybe we'll pause for a little bit before we get there, but we got a good path cut out for us to see if it'll move forward, especially if the overall market continues to move in our direction as well. If you like this kind of analysis, join us for a month under the trial. Details are listed in the comments below.